How to hide or remove Activate Windows Watermark. The safest way to permanently remove the watermark is to activate Windows with a genuine license. First, open Settings on your Windows PC. Go to System, then select Activation. Here, you'll see your current Windows activation status. If you have a genuine product key, click Change Product Key and enter your 25-character Windows product key. After entering the key, click Next. Windows will verify your license, and once activation is successful, the Activate Windows watermark should disappear automatically. If Windows is already activated but the watermark is still showing, restart your computer and check for Windows updates. That's it. Once Windows is properly activated, the watermark should be removed. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more easy Windows tutorials.